Hello students, here I Priya Sacha. Welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. In the previous video, we did rounding of decimal fractions with exercise 2F. So we have completed our chapter 2, but today we will start revision only. Clear? So now we will do revision. Before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe this channel, so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification for that. Don't forget to write your name, class, section in comment box for daily attendance. So let's start with the revision. Our fractions and decimal, first part fraction today we will do. So in that, a fraction is a number represent equal part or parts of a whole. If whole part is 7, clear, and you have to just find 7's third part. So what you will write? You will write 3 by 7, clear, in which 3 is called numerator and 7 is called denominator. And here you can write numerator short form as NR or only N you can write, or denominator short form as DR and only D you can write. Clear? Denominator should not be equal to 0. Clear? And fractions cannot be negative. Fractions are always positive. Clear? Now types of fractions. Proper fractions. If numerator is less than the denominator, here you can see in example 3 by 5, here numerator is 3 and denominator is 5, and numerator is less than the denominator. So in these types of fractions are called proper fraction. A fraction smaller than 1. If you will convert into decimal, the value will come smaller than 1. Clear? Now next is improper fractions. Improper fraction when numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 8 by 3. Here you can see 8 is the numerator here and 3 is the denominator, and 8 is greater than 3. Clear? So you can say 8 by 3 is an improper fraction. A fraction is greater or equal to 1. Clear? Now improper fraction you can convert into mixed fraction. So improper fraction can always be written in mixed fraction. How? Like this, 18 by 5. So if you have to convert into mixed fraction, then you will divide 18 by 5. Clear? 5 3s are 15, and when you will subtract, 3 will come. So in this, how will you write this quotient? You will write as whole number. This remainder you will write as numerator, and denominator remains the same as 5. So answer will be 3 whole 3 by 5. Clear? Right? In this number 8 by 3, convert into mixed fraction. What you will do? You will divide 8 by 3. 3 2s are 6, and when you will subtract, 2 will come. So this quotient you have to write as whole number. This remainder you have to write as new numerator, and this denominator remains the same. Clear? Denominator 3 remains the same. So now next is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. If you have to convert any mixed fraction into improper fraction, here you can see this is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means this is whole part and this 3 by 5 is called proper fraction. Clear? So this become mixed fraction. So in that, if you have to convert into improper fraction, then you have to multiply. 5 2s are 10. Yeah, this whole number you have to multiply it with denominator and then add numerator. So what you will do? 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 5, and 13 by 5 is an improper fraction because here numerator is greater than the denominator, right? Now next is unit fraction. A unit fraction can be defined as a fraction whose numerator is 1. Those fractions in which numerator is 1 are called unit fraction. Clear? Then like and unlike fraction. Fractions having equal denominators are called like fractions. If in the, you can see in these fraction 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, every time denominators are coming same 7. So these fractions are called 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 are called like fractions. If denominators are different, those fractions are called unlike fractions. Here you can see 3 by 5, 6 by 7, 2 by 9. Every time denominators are different, 5, 7, 9. Clear? So these are called unlike fractions, right? Now simplest form or standard form. If you have to convert any fraction into simplest form, so in that case it's if HCF of numerator and denominator is 1, those fractions are called in simplest form or standard form. Here you can see 16 by 20. Its common factor is not only 1. You can check, you can cut this 16 and 20 by 2. So this is not in simplest form or standard form. You have to convert. How will you convert? Just do by simple cancellation method. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 0. Again you can cut with 2, then 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now 4 and 5 now you can't cut. Clear? So its HCF, its common factor is coming only 1, not other than 1. So 4 by 5 is the simplest form of 16 by 20. Is it clear? Or you can do by taking HCF also. HCF of 16 and 20 first you have to calculate, and here HCF will come what? 4. 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 20, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, and HCF is highest common factor. So here highest common factor is coming 2 into 2, that is 4. Clear? So you have to divide this fraction 16 by 20 by its highest common factor 4, and then this answer will come. When you will divide 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, so 4 by 5 will come. Clear? You can do by this method or you can do by that method. Actually this method is more convenient for you, by direct cancellation. Clear? So do numerical by this method. Clear? Now next is equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions, two or more fractions represent the same value. They are called equivalent fractions. If now you can see 2 by 5. 2 by 5 it is in simplest form, right? And 8 by 20. 8 by 20 is not in simplest form. So first convert into simplest form. If after conversion into simplest form it converts as 2 by 5, then you can say 2 by 5 and 8 by 20 are equivalent fraction. Clear? So now convert this 8 by 20 into simplest form. So first you have to cut with, you can cut directly with 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, right? So 8 by 20 becomes 2 by 5, and this is also 2 by 5. So both are coming same. Now you can say 2 by 5 and 8 by 20 are equivalent fraction. These are called equivalent fractions. Is it clear? If it is not coming same, like if I will say 2 by 5 and 6 by 20. Clear? Now in that case solve 2 by 5, it is in simplest form. 6 by 20 is not in simplest form. So you have to cut. So when you will cut, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 0. 3 by 10 is coming. Clear? Here 3 by 10, here 2 by 5 are not coming same. So that means you can say 2 by 5 and 6 by 20 are not equivalent fractions. Clear? When they will come equal, then only you can say those numbers, those fractions 2 by 5, 8 by 20 are equivalent fractions. Now next is addition and subtraction of fractions. If you have to add these three mixed fraction, so what you will do, first you have to convert into improper fraction. So convert 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 plus 15 1s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 15 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. Now you have to take LCM. LCM of 5, 15, 5. So what it will be? LCM will be 5 and 15 will be 15 only. Clear? Now you have to convert all these three fractions denominator as 15. So which number you have to multiply to convert this denominator as 15? 3. So you will multiply it with 3. So same 3 you have to multiply it with numerator also, right? So 5 3s are 15 and 17 3s are 51 plus this already in 15, 15 ones are 15 and 17 ones are 17. So no change in that case. Here again, which number you have to multiply with this denominator to convert into 15? That is 3. So 3 you have to multiply it with denominator as well as numerator. When you will do 5 3s are 15, 11 3s are 33. Right? Now add 51 plus 17 plus 33. So what will come? Check. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 5, 5 plus 5 10. So 101 by 15 will come. Now you will not leave your answer till here, because here this is in an improper fraction, so you have to convert into mixed fraction. Clear? So when you will convert into mixed fraction, what will come? Divide 101 by 15. 15 6 are 90. When you will subtract 1 means 11 will come. So how will you write this? This quotient you have to write as whole number. This remainder you have to write as new numerator, and denominator remains the same, 15. Is it clear, beta? Now this numerical. If you have to subtract 3 whole 5 by 8 minus 3 whole 1 by 4. So in that case, first convert into improper fraction. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. Right? Now minus 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 4. Now LCM will be 8 and 4's LCM is 8. Now you have to convert denominator as 8. This fraction's denominator is already 8, so no change. You have to write 29 only. Clear? Now minus here 4 is coming and you have to convert into 8. So which number you have to multiply with 4 to convert into 8? That is 2. 4 2s are 8, and that 2 you have to multiply with numerator also. Clear? You have to balance the equation. So 4 2s are 8 and 13 2s are 26. 29 minus 26 is 3 by 8. This is the only answer, because this is a proper fraction, right? Now I am giving you some numericals for revision. You have to do numericals only in notebook. Clear? And that revision theory part, if you want, then only you can write. If any important point, then you can write in notebook. Clear? So here just do these numericals in notebook, and PDF of these numerical is also available in description below. If any query, then you can write in comment box. Okay, bye bye.